So today in this video we're going to discuss chapter 9 of class 8, that is algebraic expression and identities. Okay, so before starting this chapter, let's discuss what is expression. Okay, so expression is formed by the variables and constant. So what is variable? Variable, as it is by name obvious, that variables are the terms whose value is not fixed. Okay, their values are going to be varies. Okay, like if I am taking x, y, z, so in any expression x, y, z's are what? It is variable because their values are not fixed. And second thing is used in expression is constant whose value is fixed. Like if I am going to take a constant 7, then the value of 7 is always 7. So if I am going to write any expression by the help of variable and constant, so here we have suppose 2x plus 7. So this is our expression. Okay, so what are the terms used in here? It is, one is variable, here x is a what? Variable, and here 2 and 7 are what? Constant, because their value are constant. If I am going to write here equal to 5, now this expression become a equation. Okay, but in here in this chapter we not have to discuss about the equation, we only going to discuss expression. So this is expression, and here we also have algebraic operators, like plus is what? Algebraic operator. So this is a algebraic expression. Okay, so what are the things used in expression? It is variable whose value is not fixed. We can take any value for variable x, like 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 5, whatever we want. Okay, and here the two constant 2 and 7, these are the constant because their value are not going to be changed. Okay, so after that we're going to discuss some important points used in any expression. So first is terms. So what are the terms? Terms in any algebraic expression are like for this same algebraic expression. So if I am going to what, there are two terms used in this algebraic equation. So what are the terms here? First term and second term. So there are two terms in this algebraic equation. First term is what? It is 2x, and second term is what? It is 7. So these are called terms. Similarly, if I am going to take one more example, suppose I am going to write one more expression, 5xy plus 2y. So this is also a algebraic expression because here we have variable and constant. So here also we have two terms. What are the terms? This is the first term and second term. So if I am going to ask what are the terms, first term is 5xy and second term is what? It is 2y. So clear? So algebraic expression are made by the terms. It can be one term, two term, whatever. Suppose I am going to take an example, 3x square. So in this algebraic expression we have only one term. Okay, similarly if I am going to take any more example, so here in this algebraic expression we have three terms, 2x square and 3xy, and the last term is minus 5. So here we have three terms. Okay, so there may be any number of terms, 3, more than 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Okay, now this is term. Now second point we have to discuss in expression is factors. So what are the factors? So factors, any terms in a expression are made by product of some factors. Like if I take the example of this expression, so this first term 2x are made by the product of the factor, and what are the factor here? 2 and x. So we can write this first term 2x as 2 into x. So these are the factor of this term 2x. Similarly, if I take for this example, here we have term 5xy. So what are the factor? It is 5 x and y. These three are the factor of this term. So suppose I am taking this 3x square. What are the factor for this 3x square? It is 3 into x into x. So these are the factor. 3 and x are the factor for the term 3x square. Okay, so this is factor. Okay, clear? Any term are made by the product of factor. So this is factor. Now the last point we have to discuss in this expression is coefficient. Okay, now what is coefficient? Coefficients. Okay, so coefficient are numerical constant, numerical variable, not numerical value before any term on any terms is called the coefficient. So for this term, suppose I am taking for same term 2x. So here the coefficient is what? It is numerical factor. The coefficient is what? 2 is what? A coefficient. Okay, similarly if I am going to ask, tell me the coefficient for this term 5xy. So here we have numerical factor is what? It is 5. So 5 is the coefficient. Okay, we can take here for this expression 3x square, coefficient is what? It is 3 because it is numerical factor. For this term 2x, the coefficient 2y coefficient is what? 2. So coefficient is what? It is numerical factor for any terms. Okay, so here we discuss 3 terms for the expression. First is terms. Terms are it can be 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, whatever the number of terms we have in any expression. Second is factor. Factors are all the terms are made by the product of some factors. Like here we have a term 2x. So this term is made by the product of factor 2 and x. For this term 5xy, what is the factor? 5xy are the factors. Similarly, last we discussed coefficient. Coefficient are the numerical factor for any terms. Like for this numerical term 2x, coefficient is 2. For this 5xy, the coefficient is 5. For this 3x square, coefficient is 3. Coefficient are always constant. Okay, variable cannot be a coefficient. Okay, so these are the some term we discuss in this. Okay, so next video we're going to discuss some types of the algebraic expression, like I'm going to give the name mononomial, binomial and this type of name. Okay, so that is the types of algebraic expression. It is derived by the number of terms we are going to use. That's all for today.